Good afternoon, everybody. This is Sean. I'm back at the Stinnett shop, and it is a gorgeous day today. I think Thursday it was 81. It was in the 60s yesterday and 60s today. Crazy weather for December, but we need some rain. Well, this is the first time I've been to the shop actually inside in almost 8 weeks after my knee replacement. It's looking pretty good. Still got to work on my range of motion, and that's not fun. So I came out here today, got this started and warmed up, put it away for the winter. The Grimmer Schmidt air compressor, checked all the fluids and ran that today. I used the Harbor Freight generator to run some diesel through the shop heater. And I use this furnace fan and the air compressor, the little air compressor, and the shop heater to put a load on the Predator generator. I cleaned out the exhaust port in the back. You take off this back plate and there's 2 screws, and there's a spark arrestor in there, and it was just caked with soot. But it's really not fun not being able to come out here and do stuff, but my knee's getting better, so I should be able to come out here and work. Shop fans are still running. Got a lot of stuff to do out here. And as you get older, it's tougher to do. I really want to get this Cummins generator going, or at least find out if it's worth saving or if it's junk. If it's junk, I'll scrap it or sell it and get it out of my hair. But I really want to put this on the north side of the building, which is this back wall here. I think once I get the trench dug for the new wire for the service, I can decide if I'm going to pour a pad on that side. And I'd like to have the air compressor out there and whatnot. But that's about it. Vintage trailer just sitting there. Lots of stuff. Big blasting cabinet that's 60 inches wide. It's pretty nice to have around. The Ford 641 diesel back there, I need to get that going. Story of my life. Just wanted to let you guys know I'm still alive and kicking. And it's great to be back at the shop again. You guys take care, be careful, be safe. Think about what you're doing before you do it so you don't get hurt. Talk to you later. Bye.